Welcome, come to my channel, dedicated to manage the inventory, all material of a manufacturing company in state of California. I am a certified purchasing manager by the Purchasing Management Association. I'm a certified production and inventory control manager by the Apex. I have 20-year experience. So I want to pass on my experience to you. A typical company in the state of California for manufacturing is, the organization is very simple. The president, we have finance report to him, marketing, engineering, and manufacturing operation. On the finance, they have all general accounting and cost accounting. Marketing have research, sales, and services. Engineering, product design, engineering change order, field service, and test. In manufacturing, we have production control planning, purchasing, receiving, stockroom, and shipping. And we have quality assurance to make sure all the parts come in conform to our specification. And we have production floor, and we have tests. And of course, we have a quality test engineer work. Besides, the human resource will report to the president. The most important thing for most companies is the cash and human resource to get the right people, the right position, and the people who dedicate their job want to work together and make the company successful. So come back to see me next time. We will talk more about detail of each department. Bye-bye for now.